First, let's learn how to create a bootable USB drive for Windows 11. First, open your browser and search for Windows. Click the first link and you'll find several options available. You can either create installation media using a USB drive or download an ISO file to manually boot using third-party software like Rufus or Ventoy. Pick your preferred language. I'll choose United States and confirm. After a short moment, the download will begin, and I'll select 64-bit as the default option. Once the download is complete, go to the folder where your ISO image is saved. Our next move is to boot it onto a USB drive. I'll be using a third-party tool called Yummy. Search for Yumi and click the top result. Scroll down the page and download Yumi exFAT. After downloading Yumi, connect your USB drive, run it as an administrator. Accept the terms by clicking I agree and select your USB device. Mine is 14 gigabytes before hitting Prepare the drive. A warning will appear. Click OK to continue, and the program will start making your USB bootable. After preparing the drive, either pick your ISO from the list or manually paste it into the correct folder. Now, locate the downloaded Windows 10 ISO, select it, and hit Create to boot Windows 10 onto the USB. It will ask if you want to add more ISOs. I'll click No. You can add more ISOs if needed, and now your USB is fully bootable with Windows 10 ready to go.
Now, restart your desktop to start a clean Windows installation. Depending on your model Dell or HP, press F12 or Escape to open the boot menu. Select the USB drive to begin the clean installation of Windows on the same or a different device. When the installer starts, select your defaults such as Windows Pro and pick the target disk to start the installation. And follow the steps for a fresh installation. Then restart when it finishes. At Setup, it will ask whether you want a personal or work account. Choose to create a local account instead. Click Sign In Options, then Join Domain to launch the local user setup. Create a username and password, then Continue. After the default load and updates, you'll reach a fresh desktop successfully.